Experiencing a frozen loading screen or black screen when trying to use the T-Mobile T-Life app can be extremely frustrating. These issues are unfortunately quite common, affecting both iPhone and Android users. The T-Life app serves as T-Mobile's primary customer engagement platform, offering exclusive deals and account management features. When it doesn't work properly, it creates real problems for users trying to access their benefits. Understanding the root causes helps us fix these problems effectively. The main culprits include network connectivity issues, corrupted app cache, outdated app versions, insufficient device storage, and sometimes problems with T-Mobile's own servers. Let's start with the quickest fixes first. Step 1 is to force close the app completely from your recent apps menu. Wait 30 seconds, then reopen it. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device entirely. Step 2 focuses on network connectivity. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test which works better. Check your internet speed and make sure it's stable. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily, as it can sometimes interfere with the app. It's crucial to keep your T-Life app updated. T-Mobile regularly releases updates that fix loading problems and improve stability. Always install updates when they become available in your app store. These quick troubleshooting steps are highly effective. Statistics show that 85% of T-Life app loading and black screen issues can be resolved using these simple methods before needing more advanced solutions. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your T-Life app issues, it's time to move to more advanced solutions. These methods address deeper system-level problems that may be causing persistent loading and black screen issues. The first advanced step is clearing your app's cache and data. On Android devices, this removes temporary files that may be corrupted and causing conflicts. Navigate to Settings, then Apps, find T-Life, and select Storage to access cache clearing options. iOS handles app data differently. Instead of clearing cache manually, you'll need to offload the app, which removes the app but keeps your data, or delete it completely. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find T-Life, and choose either Offload App or Delete App. Keeping your app and operating system updated is crucial for compatibility and performance. Check your App Store for T-Life updates and install any pending system updates. Additionally, ensure you have at least 1 GB of free storage space, as insufficient storage commonly causes app loading problems. If all else fails, completely uninstall and reinstall the T-Life app. This nuclear option removes all app data and gives you a fresh start. Uninstall the app, restart your device, then download a clean copy from your device's official app store and log in with your T-Mobile credentials. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Enable automatic app updates to stay current with bug fixes. Maintain at least 2 GB of free storage space for optimal performance. Use stable internet connections and avoid using the app during peak hours, especially Tuesday mornings when deals are released and server load is highest. If you've tried all these advanced troubleshooting steps and still experience persistent issues, it's time to contact T-Mobile support directly. They can investigate server-side problems and provide account-specific assistance that may resolve issues beyond standard troubleshooting methods.